It's 7:30, so let's get started with the lesson. In this lesson, as usual, first let's do the prayers and then get started with it. I see that the Ganesha prayer is missing in this one, so I'm just going to recite it. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Please repeat this sloka after me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Excellent. Now let's do yesterday's slokas together. We did 12 slokas yesterday. First, let's recite them together, and then let's get started with today's session. So we'll go really slow. Please sing along with me. Vasur Vasumana Satya Samatma Sammita Samaha Amogha Pundarikaksho Vrushakarma Vrushakritihi Rudro Bahushira Babhrur Vishvayonis Suchisrava Amruta Shashvatasthanur Vararoho Mahatapah Sarvaga Sarvavidbhanur Vishvakseno Janardanah Vedo Veda Vidavyango Vedango Veda Vitkavihi Lokadhyaksha Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyaksha Krita Chaturatma Chaturvyuhas Chaturdramstras Chaturbhujah Bhrajishnur Bhojanam Bhokta Sahishnur Jagadadijah Anagho Vijayo Jeta Vishvayonih Punarvasuhu Upendro Vamanah Pramsuramoghas Suchirurjitah Atindras Sangrahas Sargo Dhrutatma Niyamo Yamaha Vedyo Vaidyas Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhu Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महाद्रिधृक् महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रीनिवासः सताङ्गतिः अनिरुद्धः सुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः मरीचिर्दमनोहंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभः सुतपाः पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः अमृत्युः सर्वदृक्सिंहः सन्धाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्षणः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिः गुरुर्गुरुतमो धामः सत्यः सत्यपराक्रमः निमिषो निमिषस्रग्वी वाचस्पतिरुदारधीः. The Kshama Stotram we'll do at the end of the session. Now let's get started with the current session and the slokas for today. As usual, let's do 1 to 2 words and then we'll go to the full sentences. Everybody can hear me okay and you can see my screen okay, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay, 1 to 2 words. Agranir Gramani Shriman. Again, the Visarga and the Sha, they'll get combined. Again, there are 2 Visargas here. I combined the first 2 words seamlessly. So it is actually Agrani and Gramani. So when the Visarga mixes with Ga, it forms Gramani. So I actually combined it together. And the Gramani and Shriman together, because it is a Sha, it will become a double Sha there. So let's combine those 2 and do it together. Please repeat after me. Agranir Gramani Shriman. Nyayo Neta Samiranah Sahasramurdha Vishwatma Sahasrakshah Sahasrapat. I will combine those 2 words there, Sahasrakshah and Sahasrapat. So the Visarga combining followed by the letter Sa. So it will become a double Sa there. Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. One more time. Agranir Gramani Shriman. Nyayo Neta Samiranah Sahasramurdha Vishwatma Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. Let's try the full sentence now. Agranir Gramani Shriman Nyayo Neta Samiranah सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् So there is no combined words in the middle, so that's why I separated them in the middle. I took a space, I took a pause in the middle. We are allowed to do that in the words when they're not combined together. So let's try to do this sloka together. Agranir gramani Shriman Nyayo Neta Samirana Sahasramurdha Vishwatma Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. Excellent. Moving to the next one. Avartano Nivrittatma Samvritaha Sampramardanaha. Again, taha, the visarga at the end of samvritaha, and it is followed by sam, so it will become doubles there. So combine, let's do it to, please repeat after me. Samvrita sampramardanaha. One more time. Samvrita sampramardanaha. Ahas samvartako. I combined the visarga with the sa, so ahas samvartako vanhiranilo dharani dharaha. So in the spelling, whichever language you are following here, it will look like the ha is coming before na, but the rule is if ha is followed by any of the nasal letters, the nasal letters are to be pronounced first. In this, if you literally look at the spelling in English, it is Vahni, making it Vahni. But as per the rules, the na comes before. It is unwritten rule, so the nasal comes before, so it becomes Vanhi. So the n precedes the ha. So Vanhiranilo Dharani Dharaha Avartano Nivrittatma. Online devotees, if you can check if you're mute or not, and if you can go on mute, that'll be really helpful for the other devotees. Thank you. Hari Om. One more time. Avartano nivrittatma samvrtas sampramardanaha ahas samvartako vanhiranilo dharani dharaha. Let's try the full sentences now. Please repeat after me. Avartano nivrittatma samvrtas sampramardanaha.
Avartano nivrittatma samvrtas sampramardanaha.
Ahas samvartako vanhiranilo dharani dharaha. Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together slowly. Avartano nivrittatma samvritas sampramartanah ahas samvartako vanhiranilo dharanidharah suprasadah prasannatma. Let's combine those two together. Suprasadaha, and it is followed by a pa. When it is followed by a pa or a pha, it gives the sound of pha. So we are going to say it. Suprasadah prasannatma. Vishvadhrug vishvabhug vibhuh. Let's separate it. When you're chanting, don't separate it. Just for practice, I'm going to separate it here. Vishvadhrug vishvabhrug vibhuh. One more time. Vishvadhrug vishvabhrug vibhuh. Now let's try together. Vishvadhrug vishvabhug vibhuh. Satkarta satkritah. Let's separate this again. This is a single word when it combines. Sadhur. Again, this is a word where the ha is preceding the na. So we are going to say, if you read it, it will sound like jahnu, but we are going to say janhu. Janhur narayano naraha satkarta satkritah sadhur janhur narayano naraha. So in this, if you see, I have not combined the satkritah and sadhur yet. So now we're going to do the full sentence. I'm going to combine it. When I combine it, the visarga will fade away and the double sa will come. Satkarta satkritas sadhur janhur narayano naraha. Excellent. So now let's try the full sentences. We are going to do the full sentence again. Suprasadah prasannatma vishvadhrug vishvabhug vibhuh. Satkarta satkritas sadhur janhur narayano naraha. So I divided it into the middle. I gave a pause in the middle for convenience. Let's do that one more time. Satkarta satkritas sadhur janhur narayano naraha. So let's try this sloka together. Suprasadah prasannatma vishvadhrug vishvabhug vibhuh. Satkarta satkritas sadhur janhur narayano naraha. So there is a avagraha here, so I'm not supposed to separate the two words. The two words are actually asankhyeyo and aprameyatma. When they're combined, asankhyeyaha and aprameyatma, when they're combined together, the is consumed by the visarga in the rules of avagraha. So we are going to do the entire thing together, and make sure that you don't divide this when you're chanting it. Asankhyeyo prameyatma visishtah शिष्टकृच्छुचिः विशिष्टशिष्टकृच्छुचिः When the visarga is followed, try to fade away the visarga and just focus on the double sa there. Visishtasishtakruchuchihi Siddharthah Siddhasankalpah Siddhidah Siddhisadhanah. So all four visargas followed by sa, so everything will become a double sa. I will just show you how it is done, but we will do a partition in the middle with the full visarga, and when you practice, as you practice and as you get comfortable, then fade away the visarga and do the double sa there also. I'll just show you. So repeat if you can. Siddhartha Siddha Sankalpa Siddhidas Siddhi Sadhana. Excellent. So for practice, we are just going to do Siddhartha Siddha Sankalpa Siddhidas Siddhi Sadhana. Okay, one more time. Asankhyeyo prameyatma Visishtasishtakruchuchihi Siddharthah Siddhasankalpah Siddhidas Siddhi Sadhanah. Now the full sentences. Asankhyeyo prameyatma visishtasishtakruchuchihi I will separate it, partition it. Siddhartha Siddha Sankalpah Siddhidas Siddhi Sadhanah. Now let's try it together. Even when we do together, we're going to take a pause at Siddha Sankalpah, and then we're going to continue. When you practice and as you get comfortable, it will become Siddha Sankalpa Siddhida. So it will combine together. But for our practice, we'll take a pause there. Asankhyeyo prameyatma. Let's recite together. Asankhyeyo prameyatma visishtasishtakruchuchihi Siddhartha Siddha Sankalpah Siddhidas Siddhi Sadhanah. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnur Vrushaparva वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तः श्रुतिसागरः विविक्तश्रुतिसागरः one more time वृषाहि वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तश्रुतिसागरः Let's do the full sentences. I'll take a pause after the Vrushabho, so it won't be too complicated. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnur Vrushaparva Vrushodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Viviktashrutisagaraha. Let's try the full sentences. I'm going to partition it Vishnur Vrushaparva, so we can do the same thing. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnur Vrushaparva Vrushodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Viviktashrutisagaraha. Let's do the sloka together. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnur Vrushaparva Vrushodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Viviktashrutisagaraha. Excellent. Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi Mahendro Vasudo Vasuhu Naikarupo Bruhadrupaha Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha. So in the second sentence, Bruhadrupaha and Sipivishtaha, they combine to form the double Kuntisa there, but for convenience I'm going to give the full Visarga and take a pause there so we can do it easily. Otherwise, as you get comfortable, the actual form will be Naika Rupo Bruhadrupa Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha. So, but now what we are going to do is Naika Rupo Bruhadrupaha Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha. So that's the variation. Okay. So let's do one more time, 1 to 2 words. Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi Mahendro Vasudo Vasuhu Naika Rupo Bruhadrupaha शिपिविष्टः प्रकाशनः Now let's try the full sentences. Subhujo durdharo vagmi mahendro vasudo vasuhu. It is Subhujo. The ba has a u attached to it. Subhujo is the one who has spectacular arms. Subhujo durdharo vagmi. Mahendro vasudo vasuhu. Naika rupo bruhadrupah. Shipivishtah prakashanah. Now the full sentences. Subhujo durdharo vagmi mahendro vasudo vasuhu. Naikarupo bruhadrupah shipivishtah prakashanah. I'm going to do without the partition also. Try to do it. Naika rupo bruhadrupa shipivishtah prakashanah. Naika bruhadrupa shipivishtah prakashanah. Excellent. Are we to do together? Okay, let's do it together. Subhujo durdharo vagmi mahendro vasudo vasuhu. Naika rupo bruhadrupah shipivishtah prakashanah. Shipivishtah prakashanah. Bruhadrupah. Yeah, let's want to do it combined once. It will become a double S. So if it is a sa, normal sa, it will become sa, and savatu. If it is a sha, it will become a sa, sha. If it is a sha, it will become a sha. Okay, so next one. Ojas tejo. Ojas tejo. Dyutidharah. Prakasatma Pratapanah. In this, the first sentence also, the dharaha visarga is followed by a pa. So we are to do ojas tejo dyuti dharah prakasatma pratapanah. But for our convenience, I'll keep it separate and we'll do one and we'll try it. Okay, as you practice more, you can combine it. Ruddhaha spashtaksharo mantraha chandramshur. So the mantraha and chandramshur together, it became mantras chandramshur. Let's just do that. Mantras chandramshur. Mantras chandramshur. Bhaskaradyutihi. Again, mantras chandramshur bhaskaradyutihi. Mantras chandramshur. Excellent. Again, ojas tejo dyutidharah. Ojas tejo dyutidharah. Prakasatma प्रतापनः ऋद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रश्चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः one more time mantraschandramsurbhaskaradyutihi okay now full sentences I'm going to take a partition here and then I will tell you how it is done without the partition also we'll try both ojas tejo dyutidharah prakashatma pratapanah I'm going to take a partition at mantraha also and then we'll do the combined versions also rdhaspashtaksharo mantraha chandram surbhaskaradyutihi now without the partition the first sentence please repeat after me ojas tejo dyutidharah prakashatma pratapanah same thing no partition rdhaspashtaksharo mantras chandram surbhaskaradyutihi until you get comfortable you can take the partition there and then practice accordingly and when we are going to do the sloka together let's take the partition at dyutidharah and mantraha for both the lines okay please let's do it together ojas tejo dyutidharah prakashatma pratapanah rdhaspashtaksharo mantrah chandramsurbhaskaradyutihi excellent so both the versions you can practice and as you get comfortable you can do the full continuity amrutam sudbhavo dhanuh शशबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः शशबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः one more time amrutam sudbhavo bhanuh shasabindus sureshwarah औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः now if you notice bhanuhu where we took the partition and is followed by a sasabindu so it is going to be a double there and in the second line setuhu is combining with satya again followed by a sa again it will become a double sa so let's try the full sentence I think this one I think we'll be able to do it I'm going to combine it together so please repeat after me amrutam sudbhavo bhanus ससबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः Excellent. Now let's do the sloka together. Amrutam sudbhavo bhanus sasabindus sureshwarah aushadham jagatas setus satya dharma parakramah bhuta bhavya bhavannathah pavanah pavano nalah. Again there is an avagraha there, pavano nalah, analaha, that is the I is consumed there, so there is no separation, that has to be pronounced together. It is always pavano nalah. So and again we are combining pavanah pavano nalah, so it is followed by a pa, so it is going to be pavanah pavano nalah. Kamaha kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhuh. So kamaha and kamapradah, so maha is followed by a ka, we talked about it. It becomes a half visarga when it is followed by a ka, so it is going to be kamah kamapradah prabhuh. So two rules there, kamah kamapradah prabhuh. Please say after me. Kamah kamapradah prabhuh. Excellent. So if you look at the partitions again, we separated them. We said bhuta bhavya bhavannathah pavanah pavano nalah, if we want to do it together, but let's do the partition. I'm going to do the full visarga and then separate it. Same thing at the bottom, it is supposed to be kama kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhuh, but we are going to partition it in the middle with the full visarga. Bhuta bhavya bhavannathah pavanah pavano nalah kamaha kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhuh. Full sentence now. I'm going to do the partitions. Bhuta bhavya bhavannathah, Bhuta bhavya bhavannathah pavanah pavano nalah kamaha kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhuh. Let's do the combined versions also. Try your best. As you practice more, you'll get it. Bhuta bhavya bhavannathah pavanah pavano nalah kamaha kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhuh. Okay, excellent. Let's try the sloka together. Let's do a combined version. I think we are comfortable with the combined version. Let's do the combined version. Bhuta bhavya bhavannadhah pavanah pavano nalah kamaha kamakritkantah kamah kamapradah prabhu. Excellent. Yugadi कृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्र जिदनन्तजित् सहस्रजिदनन्तजित्. One more time. युगादिकृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित्. Full sentences now. युगादिकृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित्. Let's do the sloka together. युगादिकृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित्. इष्टो विशिष्टः. Again, this is an avagraha, no separation here. It has to be together. Ishto visishtaha. Shishteshtaha. So if we combine them together, it will be Ishto visishtasishteshtaha. शिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नाहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर् महीधरः. इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः. The full sentence, I'm going to do the partition. If you see, there is a sishteshtaha visarga combining with a she, so it becomes a double she there. But I'm going to do the full visarga, and I will show you how it is done as you practice more. Ishto visishtasishteshtaha शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः that will become ishto visishtasishteshtas शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता I'm sorry, this is supposed to be full sentence. I'm going to do full sentence again. Krodhaha krodhakritkarta vishwabahurmahidharah. Now let's do the sloka together. Ishto visishtasishteshtah शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतः प्रथितः प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः we're going to do two words at a time again. We're going to combine the first two now. Achyutah prathitah. All three together now. Achyutah prathitah प्राणः now let's combine the four. Achyutah prathitah pranah pranado achyutah prathitah pranado vasavanujah apam nidhiradhishtanam apramattah pratisthitah apam nidhiradhishtanam apramattah pratisthitah. One more time. I'm going to combine the first four and then that will be easier for you. Achyutah prathitah pranah pranado vasavanujah apam nidhiradhishtanam apramattah pratisthitah. Let's do the full sentence now. Achyutah prathitah pranah pranado vasavanujah apam nidhiradhishtanam apramattah pratisthitah. Let's do one more time. Achyutah prathitah pranah pranado vasavanujah अपां निधिरधिष्ठानम् अप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः Let's try the sloka together. Achyutah pradhitah pranah pranado vasavanujah apam nidhiradhishtanam apramattah pratisthitah skandah skandadharo dhuryo varado vayuvahanah vasudevo bruhadhanuh adidevah purandarah आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः स्कन्दस्कन्दधरो धुर्यो वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः Now the full sentences. Skandadharo dhuryo varado vayuvahanah वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः That is with the partition. We are going to do it together, the second sentence. Vasudevo bruhadbhanuradi-devah purandarah. Vasudevo bruhadbhanuradi-devah purandarah. Now let's do the sloka together. Skandadharo dhuryo वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः. Let's do the slokas together and then we'll do the Kshama Stotram. अग्रणीर्ग्रामणी श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः संप्रमर्दनः अहः संवर्तको वह्निरनिलो धरणीधरः सुप्रसादः प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वधृग्विश्वभुग्विभुः सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुः जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टशिष्टकृच्छुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसंकल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः वृषाही वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तश्रुतिसागरः सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः शिपिविष्टः प्रकाशनः ओजस्तेजोद्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः रुद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रः चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः अमृतांशुद्भवो भानुः ससबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः भूतभव्यभवन्नाथः पवनः पावनो नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्तः कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः युगादिकृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महासनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तचित् इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतः प्रथितः प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपां निधिरधिष्ठानम् अप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः स्कन्दधरो धुर्यो वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः. Everybody remembers this, right? Let's do the sloka together. We'll go slowly. Yadaksharapadabrashtam matrahinam tu yad bhavet tat sarvam kshamyatam deva narayana namostute. विसर्गबिन्दु मात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनातिचातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. Now let's do the Mangala Shasanam. Best wishes for everyone. Mangala Parayirmadacharya Purogamai Sarvaischa Purvairacharya Satkrutāyastu Mangalam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. With this we will conclude this session. If anybody has any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask now. Hari.
Thank you, sir.
Hari Om, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om, you're welcome. Hari Om.
Thank you, sir.
Hari Om, you're welcome. If we don't have any questions, let's conclude the session. Hari Om.